you've got 600 metres of pitches to negotiate, so it becomes quite a heavyweight sort of siege operation. As soon as you're past the daylight barrier, you're in an underworld. The further you go, the deeper and more mysterious and richer it seems. You know, once you're in a team of people going down the cave, I mean, you have to look after each other. That's just the way it is. Nobody's caring about, you know, designer labels on their gear. Indeed, the shabbier your kit, the more hardcore you are.
Caves are pretty punishing environments in general. A drill's got to be quite tough. Usually they'll be caked with mud, often quite waterlogged. It's much more punishment than I would ever think a drill would take. Well, the battery power is crucial. Recharging a drill battery underground is a day to carry it out. Charge it overnight, a day to carry it back in. On this expedition this summer, over a day we managed to get up 70 metres vertically. We managed that on only 2 batteries, so 35 anchors per drill battery. Well, if you've got a drill that you really know is robust, it gives you a lot of faith that you've got to have something that you know is going to work and that everyone knows is going to work.
It's a marvellous feeling getting to an underground pit that no one's ever been down. And I mean, I remember one time landing on this patch of sand and walking across and looking back at my footprints. It's like being Neil Armstrong, really, isn't it?